Welcome to Practice Easy English. 40 common verbs vocabulary in English for daily use. Abandon, leave. I had to abandon the old bike near the park. Why did you have to leave it? Absorb, soak up. This foam can absorb water easily. Yes, it can soak it up quickly. Absorb, digest, understand. I can absorb information quickly. So, you can understand new concepts easily? Abuse, mistreat, insult. I didn't mean to abuse him. You didn't mean to mistreat him, right? Accompany, escort, go with. Can you accompany me to the store? Sure, I'll escort you to the store. Accomplish, achieve, complete. I managed to accomplish my goals. How did you achieve them? Accuse of, blame for, hold responsible for. I hate it when people accuse me of everything. Do they blame you without reason? Acknowledge, admit. Okay, I acknowledge it. I took your pen. So, you admit taking it by mistake. Adapt to, adjust to. I find it easy to adapt to new environments. So, you can adjust quickly? Add, append, attach. Can you add the new document to the email? Sure, I'll append it before sending. Confess, admit, acknowledge. Yes, I confess. It was an accident. So, you admit it was unintentional? Select. Choose. I need to select a color for the room. Why don't you choose a calming shade like blue? Advise. Recommend. Suggest. Can you advise me on how to remember new English words? I would recommend using them in context. Afford. Have enough money to pay for. Why don't you buy a new car? I cannot afford a new one. Agree. Concur. Do you agree with the new policy? Yes, I concur. It makes sense. Allow. Permit. Am I allowed to bring my dog to the park? Yes, you're permitted. Just make sure it behaves. Analyze. Examine. Why do we need to analyze this data? We need to examine it to understand the patterns. Announce. Declare. When will you announce your decision? I'll declare it at the meeting tomorrow. Anticipate. Expect. What should I anticipate from the upcoming project? Expect challenges, but also exciting opportunities. Appeal. Plead, request. Why did you appeal to the boss for more time? I had to plead for an extension due to unexpected issues. Designate. Appoint. Who will lead the project team? They will designate someone experienced for the role. Value. Appreciate. Why do you keep that old photo? I value the memories associated with it. Approach. Proceed towards, come near or nearer. Stop there. Don't approach me. Calm down. I won't come any closer to you. Argue. Disagree. I think we should take a different approach. I respectfully disagree. Argue. Dispute, discuss. We should argue the point. Why not? We should discuss it before reaching any conclusion. Arise. Emerge. When will the solution to the problem arise? It should emerge as we gather more information. Arrange. Organize. Are you going to arrange your birthday party? Yes, I am going to organize it. Arrest. Capture. How did they arrest the thief? The police managed to capture him at the scene. Assign. Designate. Can you assign tasks for the project? Sure, I'll designate responsibilities to each team member. Associate. Connect. I like to associate with positive people. It's good to connect with those who uplift you. Assist. Help. Can you assist me with moving the furniture? Of course, I'll help you with that. Assume. Suppose. Why did you assume I was angry? I supposed so because of your tone. Assure. Guarantee. Can you assure me that it will be delivered on time? I guarantee it will reach you by the specified date. Attach. Connect. Please attach the printer to the computer using this cable. Sure, I'll connect them with the cable. Assault. Attack. Beat up. A mob violently assaulted a TV reporter. I heard they severely beat him up. Attempt. Try. Did you attempt to answer the question? No, I didn't try it. It was really tough. Attract. Draw in. Why does that painting attract so much attention? It has the ability to draw in people with its vibrant colors. Attribute. Credit. I want to attribute the success to the team's hard work. It's right to credit everyone for their contributions. Avoid. Evade. Why do you always avoid difficult conversations? I tend to evade them to maintain peace.